Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Yes, I'm bringing you guys another Walgreens haul, but it's kind of a small haul for you guys. I wanted to get that Soap and Glory thing that they have in the ad today, that's like $20. And what's funny thing is, all these Soap and Glory stuff is buy one, get one 50% off. So I went online when I got home on Sunday and I actually was going to buy it because online they showed those boxes, buy one, get one 50% off. So I'm like, sweet, you could get 2 boxes for like $30, which I think is a great deal. But then when I'm like, I'll just buy it in the store because it's just a whole lot easier. Well, then when I went to the store, they both rung up. Just regular $20. So they weren't ringing up buy one get one 50% off. So I haven't been online yet, but I don't know if they changed it. But if you guys want those $20 boxes and if it's still available online, you can do free shipping to the store. You guys can get buy one get one 50% off. Get 2 boxes for $30. I think that's a great deal if you guys want to go ahead and do that. I wanted to do more of these Soap and Glory on Ibotta, but the funny thing is, like, I did this deal a couple weeks ago for the Soap and Glory, and it took a while before it reset. Like, it took a long time, like probably a week or so before it reset. So then on Sunday, I'm like, okay, let's reset right away because I really want to do these deals, and it's not there again after 48 hours of submitting the receipt, so I have to probably wait even longer. But I do hope those deals come back because we got to get 70 rebates, you guys. We got to get 70 rebates. So I did a small haul. I did one thing, and then I got a couple repeaters. But I actually got this Adidas, what is this? It's just like it's a gift set or something like that of Adidas. Now this is the Dynamic Pulse. I really like this smell. But this was $10. You guys can see it right here. $10. In our inserts that we just got this past Sunday, there is $5 off coupons for this, you guys. $5 off coupons. Now, I'm not going to do any printable breakdowns for you guys, or any written down breakdowns for you guys, just because these are all pretty much in the first video, except this thing. But I'm going to explain it to you pretty easy. But yeah, you guys basically can use that $5 coupon. Now, that coupon will beep for you. She's like, oh, this coupon beeped. And I says it's the same exact item in the picture that is this. So she just entered it for me. I've always had problems with those coupons, period. It's just normal. In the past, those, it's like Cody, is C-O-T-Y is those as the brand that has those coupons. I don't know if they have it on here. But yeah, I've always had problems with those coupons. So she ended up entering it for me. So you guys can get this. But that coupon is for like something that's over $9, so it definitely works. So you guys definitely want to go ahead and get this. You use that $5 off coupon. You would pay $5 for this. This is a great deal for $5, you guys. Great deal. I'm actually probably going to get more because I think for $5 this is a pretty good deal. But on checkout 51, there is a rebate for $2. So you guys can do the rebate for $2. And with Ibotta, there is a rebate for $2. Now, checkout 51, it's a limit of 1. But Ibotta, it is a limit of 2. So it depends on what you guys want to do. So right now, you're looking at this thing being $1 with the rebates. And then with Savings Star, if you guys can get your account to work, I'm going to be emailing them for a couple different things because I'm getting stuff that's not working. But with Savings Star, if you guys spend so much, you get so much back. So this is an awesome deal. But right now, you guys can get this for $1. $1. I'm going to see if I can open this pretty quickly. I'm getting this to grams, so yeah, it's all packed in there, but I was going to give this to him for Christmas. But yeah, 4 items for $1, you guys. That is a great deal. So if this resets on Ibotta, I'm probably going to do it some more because that is a great deal. So definitely go ahead, and if your stores have problems with it, you tell them. It's the same exact photo that's in the thing. Like, the photo shows the Dynamic Pulse, dynamic, but you can get either flavors or scents, whatever. This should work. But yeah, so definitely go ahead and do that. So I love that deal, you guys. For $1, from 10 to 1. I ended up doing the Garnier Fructis. These are 2 for $7. I used a 3 off a 2 coupon. You guys would pay $4 for this, but then you guys would get 2,000 points when you buy 2 of them. Comes out to be just $1 a piece. Now, I actually do like the points thing better because it's more money that counts towards beauty. So, yes. So, we got that. So, $1 a piece if you guys want to go ahead and do that shampoo. Now, my kid and my husband has already helped themselves to the stuff that I got, but I ended up getting more of these Kinder candy bars. I actually got 3 of these. Now, these are on sale for 99 cents. The store I went to is the store I usually go to on Sunday. I went there again today. Sorry, my makeup looks so weird on camera because I didn't like do the eyeliner, so it looks like I've been like emotional, and I've been actually just fine. But anyways, so my store that I went to, they hardly had any more of the Kinder eggs, so I just went in the candy aisle and got some. One of these is broken, but these are 99 cents, and if you guys buy one of these, you get a Kinder egg for free. You can do as many as you want, you guys. These come out to be 50 cents a piece pretty much. Great deal. So yeah, you guys can pretty much do this deal. If you want to do 10 in a transaction, you can do 10 in a transaction. So pretty excited to do that. I'm hiding that candy because my family can wait for Christmas to get it. I just dropped something, but I don't know what that was. And then the next deal we got is the Tic Tacs. Now I got more Tic Tacs for my stepdad. Ben already helped himself to one of the Tic Tacs, but I took it away from him. So the Tic Tacs, you guys, are 99 cents. There is a 50 cent rebate with Ibotta. So you guys can get 50 cents back. So these come out to be just 49 cents a piece for Tic Tacs, and I think that's a great deal if you guys want to go ahead and do that. Some of you guys are confused. When you buy, like I bought 5 because the limit is 5. Now, basically, this is just one rebate. It's not 5 rebates, it's one rebate. So basically, and when it says a limit, you can buy up to 5 in one transaction, but you only get it to count as one rebate. But you get, you know, so I got $2.50 back with the Tic Tac deal. So, pretty excited for that. That was my haul. It wasn't much, you guys. That's kind of sad. I knew everything by memorization. But yeah, everything that I got, it wasn't the greatest haul, but I got the stuff. I was pretty excited for the Adidas thing. I do want to definitely go back and get more of those. I have to check out next week's sale because those coupons are only good, I think, for like 2 weeks. So I'm going to check out what next week's sale is and see if we can get an even better deal with those. But usually they have to be not on sale to get them that price because the coupon does say it has to be like over $9.68 or something like that. So yeah. My total came to $13.16 for everything. Now please keep in mind I do get an employee discount. So that's why the parentheses when I do my videos are for. So my pocket, my grand total is a lot smaller. I ended up getting $4.70 back with Ibotta. I got $2 back with the Adidas and $2.50 back with the Tic Tacs, and then I had a 20-cent any receipt, so we got that. I also got $2 back from Checkout 51, and then I ended up getting 2,000 points, so my grand total came to $4.46. I ended up getting 14 items for just 31 cents a piece. So I think that is a great deal. I'm pretty excited about that Adidas deal because I haven't gotten a deal like that ever, and maybe if I did, it was a long time ago, so definitely check that out. I don't know what the limit on the coupon is, but it's a pretty great deal. If you guys enjoyed this video, please let me know by giving this video a thumbs up. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys all later. Bye-bye.